Alright guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. So I've been working on a few videos today, and yeah, it's time for a little snackaroo. So I'm going to go down and try to hit that country store again and go get me a sandwich from my little country sandwich shop. We tried that about a week or so ago, and we got rained out just as we got there. Started the rain and we had to turn around and come back. So we're going to go do that again. I'm going to be riding the Magicycle Deer 20. I'll be taking that today. And so let's just get on this and get going. Let's get you guys situated there so you can see a little bit better. Maybe I can see a little bit better. All right, here we go. So yeah, I had the truck out of the driveway because I was actually recording the video I've been promising you for a little while, the one about the trike, the small trike and the large trike. So I got that video done. It'll come out in a couple of days. Yeah, so here's a couple things going on. So we've got some weather coming in here in a couple of days. So I'm actually trying to get a couple of videos lined up, recorded, a couple extra ones, and then next week, if the weather gets bad and stays bad for a few days, then I still have videos I can release. So yeah, I'm not sure when you're going to see this video. You might see it tomorrow, you might see it sometime midweek. Yeah, you know what? I think my handlebars are crooked. You know, sometimes when I go and I start editing videos, I see that my handlebars are a little wonky junk here. And some of you have commented about it too, being a little wonky junk. And I think part of it was maybe my camera sitting a little sideways, because even right now it kind of looks like my camera might be sideways a little bit. Hard to tell. But I also think maybe the handlebars are just a little bit out of whack. So I'm going to have to fix that. But anyway, so yeah, we got some weather coming in. Invest 93 is what it's called right now, down in the Caribbean, just off the Yucatan Peninsula. But they're promising that thing's going to go ahead and spin on up and come this direction. Don't know for sure where it's headed yet. Some of the computer models are saying that it's going to come, you know, more of the central West Coast Florida area. There's a few computer models saying it's going to go further to the north, more like toward the Panhandle. Right now they were talking. Last night they were talking, you know, tropical storm, maybe a small Category 1 hurricane. Today they're saying, you know, a little more indications that it could be a Category 2. No one coming. I'm going to shoot across here. It could be a Category 2 storm. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Right now, no plans or intentions to evacuate or anything like that. Our home is about 15 years old, and when it was built for a Category 3 storm. I really don't want to test the limits because you just never know, right? And there's been plenty of hurricanes that were projected to be one thing, and then by the time it got on top of you, it was something else. And so, yeah, we'll see. But right now, it's not predicted to be anything close to that, so I think we'll be just fine. This little barbecue place over here on the right has really got things smoked up. You know, it smells good. I mentioned them once before, though. They used to be really good. Not so much anymore. You know, we tried them a couple times, and it just, yeah. It's not that great anymore. That's too bad. So anyway, yeah, what else is happening? So let's see, I recorded a couple of videos, or I'm working on a couple of videos. Got to do some editing. I haven't put out as many videos this week just because, well, we had one video that I released a couple days ago, and yeah, I was not doing well that day. Let's just leave it at that. So I listened to a few comments and said, yeah, this isn't me. I'll do something different. So I took the video down, and got rid of it. We'll just chalk that up to, the 1 in 5. I've mentioned to you that at least 1 in 5 videos don't get posted at all. They just don't work out. So, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, so what is it? It's Saturday morning. It's about 89 degrees right now, so it's nice out. It's not too hot. But what makes it pretty nice is we got a slight breeze, and yes, and the humidity is kind of low. So it makes it a comfortable warm. Okay, it's not a stagnant, unbearable, nasty heat. It's just a comfortable heat, and the humidity is low. We've been through here before. If you saw my other recent videos, that guy is back on the corner there selling tasty drinks, fresh. So it looks like he's got fruit laid out there. So it looks like he squeezes fruit and mixes up drinks. That's kind of cool. We're gonna have to try that sometime. Let's see what he's got going on. But for today, it's all about sandwiches. We're going down to our little country sandwich shop. That's what we want to do. I think they're open today. I hope they're open today. I know they're closed on Sunday and Monday. Today's Saturday. You know what? I didn't push the button, and I don't think it's going to give us a light. There it is. Now we have a light. And of course, I can't turn because people won't stop for me. There we go. All right. Yeah. That truck stirred up a lot of dust. I forgot my sunglasses again. I used to keep a pair with me. I don't think I have them in here anymore. I've got my power bank, which I use occasionally, but nope, no sunglasses in there. That's a bummer. Here in the sunny state of Florida, a lot of people wear sunglasses. I typically don't because, I don't want the raccoon eyes. I don't want to get a suntan on my face and then have white eyes because I'm wearing sunglasses all the time. So I don't use them too much, but when I'm riding, especially on a road like this where there's a lot of traffic, I certainly need to be wearing them. And then oftentimes I forget. When you don't do something consistently and regularly, then it's easy to mess up your routine. This little country store is open again today. That's good. Yeah. Let's zip in here and see what we have. Let's see what we have. I'm making dinner tonight again for Emma and Devin. They're coming back over. I don't know what we're going to have, though. That's a huge tomato right there. I don't like it. I have tomatoes already. Alright, let's see what else we have in here. Oh, we got some corn, some cabbage, some watermelon. Red onions, Vidalia onions, white onions. Popcorn.
How you doing, sir?
Good, how about you?
Doing all right.
Good, excellent. Squash and peppers. I have peppers, I have zucchini and squash I'm going to be cooking up for tonight. So I don't need those. I just bought bananas at Costco yesterday, so I don't need bananas yet. I just don't think I need anything. And we bought some peaches yesterday, so I think we're good there too. Alright. I guess we're going to pass for today because I just don't see anything I need. Alright. Oh, over there on that side we have some potatoes and stuff too. Potatoes, sweet potatoes, jellies, and different things up there on the wall. That's kind of cool. Let's go. But if I hadn't made my Costco run yesterday where I bought a bunch of vegetables and some fruit and stuff, I would rather come here and support local business as much as possible. Alright, bring you guys back up here where you need to be. Let's go find some lunch. So, we're going to go down here, we're going to grab some lunch. And I'll probably end the video down here, but I am going to record another video for the trip back. So it's going to be an interesting little video, I think. May want to look out for that. Because that one will get posted it'll be posted sooner rather than later. So that one's going to get posted probably before this one does. And there's a reason for it, but yeah, I'll kind of explain that in the video maybe. So here's the intersection we made it to before. They still don't have these lights up and working yet. They don't have this intersection open yet. But down here where they used to have a light, a little bit further down, right down there, they took the light out already. So there's no crosswalk or anything like that built, so there's just no safe way to maneuver around here. So we're just going to we're going to jump out there. It's clear on the left, clear on the right. I'm going to go across. Get over here. Get across here. Oh, you know what? This place is closed again, I bet. These guys look like they're repairing a flat tire. Oh, it's another bust. They are closed on the weekend. I think they cater mostly to, to the folks that are working during the week. And then they close up on the weekend. So that means they're closed Saturday, Sunday, and Monday then, right? Unless they change their hours. Are they open Monday? No? Well, see, it says that they're open on Saturday, but they're clearly not open on Saturday. So, yeah, that's a bummer. Huh. I thought they were supposed to be, but they're not open. Maybe it's a little early. It's almost 11:30. I eat lunch early because I get up early. Kind of from my military days. Yeah. They have a little cutesy place back here. There's only like 2 tables on the inside. And they have a place back here where you can have a couple little places to sit. Otherwise, you always just get it to go. Well, that really is a bummer because I've been wanting that sandwich for now like almost 2 weeks or something. Kind of hankering for it. It just doesn't work out. And it won't be next week because it's going to be probably raining most of the week. Yeah. Alright, so our little town here, that's about all we have. We got that, and there's this little pizza place over here. And then, the taco truck further down that we already passed. A little taco truck right here next to this little garage. And that's it. So, it's a bust. So, guess we're going to end this video here without lunch, guys. So, it's another bust. Sooner or later, I'm going to get you down here and we'll introduce you to the little sandwich shop. It's just not going to be today. So with that, hey, stick around or go looking for the next or the second half of this video. They're not going to be together though. So yeah, you may have to look for it. But that's going to be it for this one. Until the next one, make sure you guys ride safe.